So Henrik wants to go out and have lunch today, so I'm walking to the car, which is not parked by the house because I only got 2 parking spots. It's cold. This is a lot of snow. That little house is for sale too, the yellow one right there in the distance. As you can see today, I did not wear my boots. So if the camera suddenly goes airborne, watch out. Man. Just think in 2 days I'll be back in rainy California. Sometimes sunny, but I guess, things change. Inclement weather. Predominant vehicles here in Sweden, besides the traditional Saab and Volvo, are Peugeot, Renault, Fiat, maybe? I don't know. The occasional GM, but they're hard to find. Here comes the mail. Man. Oh. Almost to the car. Just a little bit further. Oh, man, there's a lot of snow. People have to clean off their roofs because insurance, because of this being the worst winter, they won't cover roofs collapsing from the weight of the snow. And whenever they can, they come out with their bulldozers and stuff, and government cleans away the roads because, life would grind to a halt if this place became a winter wonderland. There's my little car. That's a huge snowball.